Hi guys, Eric here from Velozo. Today we're going to do another NATO strap unboxing, and this one is from PhenomNATO. I think that's how you pronounce it. Haven't had a chance to open it, so we'll pretty much get into that. So PhenomNATO is actually one of the highly regarded NATO strap maker, just because they are considered to be one closest to the Omega NATO, which is the best, one of the best NATO strap in the world. So their packaging is very simple. I think I got this one. I just bought one piece just for reviewing purposes. Disclaimer that I wasn't provided with this one for review. I bought this one with my own money, same as most of my stuff. So as you can see, upon unboxing, we're greeted with a very nice box. It's not as nice of an unboxing experience. I'll just move this one away. It's not that nice of an unboxing compared to the Omega, but nonetheless, it's pretty much better than some of the other strap makers. So from here, you'll get this is actually quite nice. So, and the box, not as sturdy as the Omega one, but nonetheless is still a very nice touch to actually have something well made, basically. So we'll just put this one aside. So there's not much actually, because I'm gonna do a proper review on this one, but basically PhenomNATO is one of the considered to be, as mentioned, one of the competitors for Omega. I think they are priced at $40 per strap, and they don't always have discounts compared to the likes of Blue Shark or what are Sinky straps. So I think you would usually have discounts only at the start, like Black Friday, pretty much when most major strap makers will have discount as well. So, but nonetheless, I got this one from Black Friday, so as you can see, it's been a while since it's probably been sitting around. They do take quite a while to ship just because they're all handmade, and I think they're made to order. So this one was a blue one. I was hoping to put this one on my Tudor Black Bay 58, so I'll see how that one goes. Very similar in terms of stickers on the buckle. You'll see them, like those stickers on the buckle. I believe that this one is a short size. I think they offer a standard and a shorter one, so this is a shorter strap. Would be keen to see how it fits well on my very small wrist. And yeah, so like usual, like, subscribe, leave some comment below if you have any questions. Of course, as usual, I recommend subscribing so you get a notification when I get another strap to review.